Hola. All right. In this video, we are going to be talking about las vocales or vowels. So we have 5 vowels, just like how we do in English, right? A, E, I, O, U. But in Spanish, we pronounce it A, E, I, O, U. So some of the Spanish vowels are pronounced like different English vowels. An example, the E is pronounced E, and the I is pronounced E. Kind of confusing, right? But once you get the vowel sounds down, you can pronounce the vowels in any word perfectly because in Spanish, the vowels always say their name in words. So the sound never changes. Think about English. We have the, THE, and that makes the E makes an sound. But then we have then, right, in English, and the E makes a sound. So and are the same letter but make two different sounds. In Spanish, the vowels are always making the same sound. So the A always makes an sound. The E always makes an sound. The I always makes an E sound. The O makes an O, and the U makes an U. So A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. Let's look at some examples. So, I'm giving you English examples with these to try to help you understand the sound of it because you all know English. The English words are probably a little bit easier for you to understand. You can comprehend the sound better if I give you an English example. So, we say as in father, as in be, as in see, O as in coat, and U as in boot, right? A, I, O, U. Okay, let's look at some Spanish examples now. So the A as in abeja. See how the A never changes its sound? We have words that start with A, like abrir. A, we also see a lot in mañana. The A never changes its sound. Mañana or cabaña, alpaca. So think about when you're pronouncing words, just like stringing vowel to vowel, and the consonants in between make sounds, but you're like really moving vowel to vowel. So alpaca. How about E, which we pronounce as So elotes. The E never changes its sound. It's always the same sound. Elefante. Enfrente. Creativa. So creativa has an E and an A next to it. I tried to provide some examples where you see two vowels smooshed together. So for this, we call it a diphthong in linguistics, but the E still makes its E sound and the A still makes its A sound. So the A and an just make two separate vowel sounds, and we just do it one after another. So creativa. And then leer. So the E is kind of like a just two E sounds. Leer. Then we have E, or an I in English. So E as in inmigrante. So this one is hard because you want to say emigrante, but no. The E always makes a high-pitched E sound. So inmigrante, hielo. See how the I and the E are together, but we pronounce it as two separate sounds, two separate vowels. So hielo, interesante, leí, iniciar. So make sure that you're always pronouncing the I as an E sound because it never changes. It's always an E sound. O, this one's easy because we pronounce the O the same in English. So O as in mono, ocurrir, otoño, hola, héroe. So see, we have an O and an E together in héroe, but the O still makes it sound and the E or the E still makes it sound. So héroe, como. And lastly, we have an U, or in English, U. So U as in unir, muestra. So again, the U and the E are together, but they each make their own sound. So the U makes an U sound, the E makes an E sound. So muestra, cuarto. Again, the U and the A are together. So the U makes an U sound, the A makes an A sound. So cuarto, universal, gue, and último. Anytime that you see an accent, it just means you give it a little bit of an extra punch in there. So último. See? All right. Those are some examples. Hopefully that gives you an idea of what vowels are sounding like in Spanish. Remember, a, e, I, o, u. They always make the same sounds in whatever word you have. Those sounds never, ever, ever change. It's always a, I, o, u. And they sound that way when they are in words. All right. Adios, guys. See you in the next video.